Rhodesian Ridgebacks are a unique breed with characteristics that can make them different to train compared to other breeds. Here are some aspects that make training a Rhodesian Ridgeback distinctive. Intelligence and independence. Rhodesian Ridgebacks are incredibly intelligent, but their intelligence comes with a streak of independence. This means they are quick to learn, but they may also decide to ignore commands if they don't see a reason to obey. This independence can be a challenge and requires consistent, patient training. Prey drive. Ridgebacks were originally bred in Africa to help hunt lions among other things, meaning they have a very high prey drive. This can make training more difficult in areas with many distractions, especially small animals. It also means off-leash training can be particularly challenging. Exercise needs. Rhodesian Ridgebacks are an athletic and active breed that requires a lot of physical exercise and mental stimulation. Without these, they can become bored and potentially destructive. Their energy levels require an owner who can provide adequate exercise, which is also a vital part of training. Sensitivity. Despite their tough exterior, Rhodesian Ridgebacks are emotionally sensitive dogs. They respond poorly to harsh training methods and negative reinforcement. Positive reinforcement techniques and a gentle approach to training are most effective with this breed. Socialization. While this is important for all dogs, Rhodesian Ridgebacks can be aloof or wary around strangers and other dogs if not properly socialized from a young age. Therefore, socialization is a key aspect of their training. Size and strength. Ridgebacks are a large and powerful breed. This means that things like leash training can be more challenging purely based on their physical capabilities. Late maturity. Rhodesian Ridgebacks are known to mature slowly, both physically and emotionally. This means they can exhibit puppy-like behavior well into their adulthood, which can sometimes be a challenge for training. Understanding these aspects of a Rhodesian Ridgeback's personality and breed traits can help a great deal in training one successfully. As always, every dog is an individual and these traits can vary from dog to dog. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start training a Rhodesian Ridgeback. Start early. It's best to begin training as early as possible. If you have a Ridgeback puppy, start as soon as they have settled into your home. Early training helps in molding their behavior and helps them grow into a well-adjusted adult. Socialization. This is a critical aspect of any puppy's training. Expose your Ridgeback to a variety of environments, people, animals, and experiences. This will help them to grow up to be confident and less likely to exhibit fear or aggression in new situations. Basic commands. Begin with simple commands such as sit, stay, down, and come. Use a positive reinforcement technique, rewarding them with treats, praise, or petting when they follow a command correctly. Leash training. Rhodesian Ridgebacks are strong dogs with a high prey drive, so leash training is very important. Start by letting them wear a collar and leash around the house, gradually increasing the time. Then start practicing walking on the leash inside before moving to quiet outdoor areas. Crate training. Crate training can be a useful tool for house training and giving your dog a safe place to relax. Make sure the crate is a positive, comfortable space. Never use it for punishment. Consistency. Consistency is key in training any dog. Make sure all family members are using the same commands and following the same rules to avoid confusing your dog. Patience and positive reinforcement. Training a dog can be a lengthy process and Rhodesian Ridgebacks, known for their independent nature, may test your patience. Always use positive reinforcement and avoid harsh training methods. Praise them for good behavior and gently correct them when they make mistakes. Professional training classes. Consider enrolling your Ridgeback in a puppy training class or hiring a professional trainer. This can be especially helpful if you're new to dog training or encountering specific behavioral issues. Training a Rhodesian Ridgeback, or any dog for that matter, is as much about mental energy as it is about physical energy. Here's how you can use your own mental energy to train your Rhodesian Ridgeback. Confidence. Dogs can sense and respond to your emotions. If you approach training with confidence and clarity, your dog is more likely to respond positively. Even if you're unsure, try to project an air of calm assurance. Patience. Training a dog requires a lot of patience, especially with a breed like a Rhodesian Ridgeback that is known for its independent streak. There may be setbacks and slow progress, but it's important not to let frustration seep into your training sessions. Consistency. Consistency requires mental discipline. Be consistent with your commands, your rules, and your reactions. If you allow your dog to break a rule sometimes but not others, they will become confused about what is expected. Problem solving. Use your problem-solving skills to adapt your training strategies to your dog's personality and responses. If a particular method isn't working, try to figure out why and what you could do differently. Observation. Pay attention to your dog's body language and reactions. This can give you a lot of insight into their feelings and how well they are understanding the training. Planning and organization. Plan your training sessions in advance. Have a clear idea of what you want to work on and what steps you'll take to teach and reinforce the behavior. Mindfulness. Be present during your training sessions. If your mind is elsewhere, your dog will pick up on your distraction. Remember, the goal is to build a strong, trusting relationship with your dog through training. Using your mental energy effectively can help you achieve this.